Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So we ran into a little problem when trying to install some mirrors on the Jeep. When you take the doors off, the mirrors are actually attached to the doors, so you need to buy another set of mirrors to attach to the vehicle. And these bolts are just seized and don't want to come off. So what you're going to need to take that off, first thing is you're going to need a T40 hex socket. I definitely recommend using a drill to try to remove it. You could use a ratchet, but you have a chance of stripping it, and I wouldn't recommend that. The next thing is you're going to need some kind of propane tank. If you can find MAP gas, which is a yellow bottle, I would definitely go with that because MAP gas actually heats up the hottest and it'll make the job a lot easier. So you're going to want to go ahead and heat up the bowl for about 30 seconds to a minute before trying to remove it with the drill. Best thing to look for is when the paint gets gray around it, it's pretty much hot enough. Then you're going to go ahead and remove it slowly. It should come out really easy, just like this one did. And grab a pair of pliers to remove the bolt because you definitely don't want to grab that with your hand. You are going to have some burn marks on the paint, but I wouldn't worry about that because when you put the new mirrors on, it actually covers that up, and this is pretty much the only way to get those bolts off without having to drill them out. Each side takes about 5 minutes to put the brackets on and the mirrors, and then after that you're good to go. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and comment. Don't forget to like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.